welcome to my channel, and this is my first video. My name's Sandra, and this is my first video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my fidgets. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you my fidgets like I just said. So I'm going to start with the puppets. So first I have this rainbow whale puppet that has like this texture on it. I don't think you can see it, but yeah. And I have this cupcake puppet. It has yellow, blue, purple and pink on it. So yeah. Then I have this puppet, Among Us puppet. So yeah. Then I have just this plain yellow one. Okay, I think we're not done with it. Fidgets. Then I have this mini penguin one. And then I have like this really small one. It has some white on it, it's just that you can't really see it. Let me show you properly. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it with the puppet. Then I have this bendy simple dimple, and it's purple, my favourite colour. Then I have this dimple. I think it's zebra prints. I don't know. Comment if the comments are open. Then I have this Rubik's Cube. I'm not sure if it's a fidget, but I think it's a fidget. And I have a question about this. Have one of you guys ever solved this? Like I've never solved a Rubik's Cube, but so yeah. Okay, next I have this fidget pad, this white and black one. Then I have this yellow pop tube. This one's like quite bad, it's not the best. But then I have this really good purple one, and it's really loud. Okay, then I have this banana stretchy thing. Then I have this monkey noodle. Yeah, it's a caterpillar. Yeah. Then I have this marble mesh. You can actually see the marble. Normally you can't see it. Then I have this like magnetic rings, which is below. Kind of looks metallic. Can't speak. Metallic. Anyway, it's really fun. Then I have like this mini cat squishy. Anyway, and now I have two more fidgets left. I have this. Very nice. It used to have a mesh on it, but I took it off because, yeah. Then I have this massive stress ball that's really glittery. You can't really see. I have really bad lighting. I don't know why. And that's it. So I'm going to show you how all my fidgets look in a pile. Can you see that? All them fidgets. Not a lot. People have more than that. But yeah. And in the next video, you're going to be learning about me. So yeah, you're just going to be learning like stuff I like, what's my name and stuff. So yeah, that's it for the video. Please comment, like, share and subscribe. So that's it. Bye guys.